Hey there, it's Jenny Fenig of jennyfenig.com. We've got my son Sean behind us. Sean is rocking some water balloons and coming to you today with a 2-point message. Number one, stay tuned to your inbox this Tuesday, August 28th. We have a brand new video series, totally free, coming to you. It's a 21-day adventure to help you birth the six-figure business of your soul. I cannot wait to share this info with you and to get you to come along, because I know you have really important things to do in this lifetime and I want to help you. Okay, so Tuesday your invitation will come to you. Stay tuned and join us. Second thing is I have an announcement, an exciting announcement, and a heartfelt request. The business, Jenny Fenig Worldwide, has been selected as a top 10 finalist. Okay, Sean, here we go. I'm doing this while I'm doing this video. This is how I've grown this business, is to do it alongside my kids and my family. Here you go, Sean. Let's try another one. Let me fill it while I'm talking. All right, so listen, we have been selected as a top 10 finalist in the Entrepreneurs Who Thrive of 2012 contest, hosted by one of my mentors, Allie Brown. She's an amazing woman, and it's totally humbling and a huge honor to be at this point. But I need your help. We need votes, my friend, and so many of you have come out. Let me see. So many of you come out and rock the vote already. Thank you if you've already voted. If you've already voted, hold on, remember our deal. If you've already voted, please spread the word to your friends. And if you have not voted, get on it. You have until Tuesday, August 28th to cast your vote. And we would love to be up there in the gold medal spot. It would be a huge boon for the business. It would get us to that next level and allow us to touch so many more lives. And I'm having my own contest. Everyone who has voted, let us know that you voted. Share it on your wall, on your Facebook wall, and then send a note to my team. And if we win the gold, the silver, or the bronze, we have some amazing prizes to give away. Either a ticket to the Retreat for Goddesses or money to use in my store. So we're all in this together. Thank you so much for your support in getting me to this point. It means the world to me. And I truly thank you for being you, for allowing me to do what I do, allowing me to be myself. It is such a privilege. La 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 la. And Sean and I have had a lot of time talking, a lot of fun talking to you today. We're going to go back to making our water balloons and seeing if Luke is up from his nap. Do you think Luke's up from his nap? I don't know. I think Dad's out. Dad's out here. All right, you have a great day, and I'll be talking to you again really soon. This is Jenny signing off. Bye now.